Hello, class. Today for science, we are going to continue our lesson on investigating the changing earth. So yesterday we were talking about weathering. Today we are going to be talking about erosion. Our target's going to be, I can explain and describe erosion. So let's begin. Erosion. The process of carrying away weathered bits of rock is called erosion. Gravity, wind, water, and ice can all move bits of rock. Erosion has helped to form many interesting features of the Earth's surface, including mountain peaks, valleys, and coastlines. And so these are all examples of erosion. Okay, so when you're looking at this cliff here and how it's breaking down, this movement is considered the erosion. So as all of this sediment and rock is moving down, it is eroding down the hill. And erosion, the moving of rocks and things like this, have helped form many form regions like this, which is a coastline, or like this, which is the Grand Canyon. What causes erosion? There are many different forces in nature that cause erosion. Depending on the type of force, erosion can happen quickly or it could take thousands of years. Now, I don't know if you guys remember the video from last week with the Generation Genius, with the dancing scientist. He took the power washer to the rock and was able to break it and split it in half fairly quickly. That was because of the machine. But had that been in nature, that would have taken hundreds of thousands of years for it to occur. Now, there are three main forces that cause erosion, which is water, wind, and we have ice. Look at this. I thought this one was pretty cool. Look at that ice. So all three of these are the main forces that cause erosion. You have water, you have wind, and then you have ice. Okay, erosion carved this canyon along the Colorado River. The river moves more slowly along the inside of the curve than the outside of the curve. So this river moves more slowly on the inside here than it does on the outside here. The slow moving water drops some of its rock particles and forms land along the inside curve. Oh, that's interesting. So this could have possibly been made by the sand and the particles that they've been moving, just like this here. That looks like sand, like rocky particles are forming there. Oh, that's interesting. So gravity, wind, water, and ice can all move bits of weathered rock. The process of carrying away weathered bits of rock is called erosion. Moving water erodes or carries away materials from the land. As water moves faster, it can carry along heavier pieces of rock. Moving water can slowly carve grooves onto the land as it carries away weathered material. Over a very long time, these grooves may become deep canyons, just like the Grand Canyon. Waves constantly change the shape of a shoreline. They pound against cracks in the rocks on the shore. Gradually, pieces of rock break off. The waves carry away the pieces. As parts of the shoreline erode, new landforms such as beaches develop. In colder parts of Earth, moving ice erodes landforms. Glaciers are huge sheets of ice. Most glaciers move very slowly as gravity pulls them downhill. As glaciers move, they wear away bits of rock and soil and carry these particles with them. So I saw this while I was looking at animated videos. It has nothing to do with erosion, but I wanted to know, would you try this? Oh, look at it. Oh, let's try it. See it one more time. He's just wiggling his finger in the water. And boom. So ask yourself, would you be willing to try this? I don't think I would. I think I'd be scared and pull my finger out. But back to erosion. What I'd like you guys to do is go ahead and watch the video on erosion, and then I want you to take the quiz. But guys, I don't want you to just take the quiz. I want you to pass the quiz with 100. Let's see if you can do that. I hope you guys enjoy the video.